Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're on the 6th chapter, Hatred Leads to Serious Transgressions. As it is found in the tractate Derech Eretz, chapter 11, Rabbi Elazar says, one who hates his fellow, it is as if he issued from the murderers. As it says, but if there should be a man who hates his fellow and ambushes him and rises up against him. The Torah describes the murderer as one who hates his fellow. The Gemara explains that the Torah is teaching that the hatred this man had for his fellow is what ultimately led him to commit murder. The Yalkut Shimoni derives from this explanation that when a person transgresses a commandment that seems less significant, such as when he fails to love his fellow, the transgression can lead to him to transgress an even more stringent mitzvah, such as bearing a grudge or feeling hatred, until ultimately he commits murder. Indeed, the Mishnah states, run after a light, less stringent mitzvah, such as much as after a severe mitzvah. Why? The Mishnah continues, one mitzvah engenders another mitzvah, and one sin engenders another sin. Rabbeinu Yonah there explains that there are two effects of a mitzvah. First, when a person performs a simple mitzvah, it brings him closer to Hashem, and conditioning him to serve Hashem. Then it is easier to perform in the next mitzvah, even if it requires more effort. The opposite is also true. When one commits a sin, he distances himself from Hashem, and then it becomes easier to commit the next sin, and so on. Second, one who performs a mitzvah, he receives supernatural assistance from Hashem to perform another one. On the other hand, when he does an Aveira, the forces of evil will supernaturally pull him to perform even more evil deeds. Interestingly, the Chavetz Chaim notes that this concept is found in the very first murder recorded in the Torah. That is, Cain's jealousy and hatred for his brother Hevel brought him to commit murder. So practically, we should keep in mind that we see there's somebody we don't like, or this person we don't like for this reason, and we justify it with ourselves. But this is saying that these small things lead to hatred, and those lead to worse and worse things. So it's good to keep that in mind, and have an amazing Shabbat, everybody. And we'll speak next week. Thank you.